Right, guys, so in this video, I'm going to give you my Otter AI transcription review. I just did a transcription on my last video I recorded. I just did a transcription on it. And you can also transcribe meetings, guys. You can connect meetings or put links to meetings on this Otter AI, and it's going to automatically join and transcribe for you guys. So let me talk a little bit about this now that I've used it, okay? So, Otter AI has actually grown a lot in popularity as an AI-powered subscription tool, particularly, about students, professionals, as journalists, content creators. The core appeal is the ability to transcribe the speech in real time, guys, which is extremely useful for meetings. Okay, you can use this for meetings, interviews, and you can use it for lectures. Okay, if you're a student, you can use this for lectures. And what it does, the Otter's AI, okay, it listens to the audio and simultaneously, guys, it generates a written text which appears on your screen. And you can save this. You can share this, you can edit it after the session's done. And if you're a busy professional, guys, there's also the Otter AI's real-time transcription, which not only saves time but also enhances productivity by eliminating the need for manual note taking. So you allows the users to fully engage with the conversation instead. So instead of you sitting there taking notes, it's gonna do it things for you guys. You don't have to sit there and take notes. You can just fully focus on the conversation. Now, one of the standout features, okay, is the integration of capability, guys. Look, you can integrate this with Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, bro, almost anything. Okay, you can link your Otter account to these apps so it starts transcribing automatically as the meeting begins, guys. So this integration is actually a major time saver for teams and organizations that heavily rely on virtual meetings. So they their interface actually involves things like speaker identification. They identify different speakers. Okay, here in this video, of course, it was just me speaking, so it's just one speaker speaking. So this is an important integration, especially in group meetings, interviews. It tags the speakers by voice, basically, and it makes it easier for you to help follow conversations and assign accurate quotes. So this is a quick way to find critical points. We can quickly find critical points without having to read through the entire transcript. It streamlines the review process, so you can just click on the summary here. If you don't have time to read the whole thing, just click on the summary, guys. Literally that easy and simple. It also picked up the action items, cancel designer subscription, contact designer support if you have any questions. This is pretty good. Those are actually the action points I talked about, guys. See? Now, okay, in terms of accuracy, now that I've put this video in here, guys, it is pretty accurate. It is not flawless, but it is pretty accurate. It picked up the numbers I was using. Like I used $27 here, $997 here. I say those things in the video, and usually, I don't expect these AIs to pick such up in, that detail. Usually they pick up mostly text and they make a lot of mistakes still. But this one did pretty good. But of course, transcription quality depends on different factors. Like the speaker's accent. If it's too thick, then it might make some mistakes. The rate of speech, if it's too fast, then it might have a hard time keeping up. And there's also background noise, guys. Background noise also plays a hand in all this. So it is, overall, I think it's pretty accurate for general use. Unless you're someone with a really, really strong accent or you're in a noisy environment, maybe you'll find that, some words are being misinterpreted by the AI, which might require manual editing. But all in all, it's pretty accurate. Actually, for my video, it was almost, I would say almost 100% accurate, guys. I can even play it here. You can listen back to it. It's really easy and simple. That's where it's talking about right now.
Click on account settings, okay?
So it is pretty accurate, as you can see, guys. Really, really accurate. Now, You can easily adjust the text here. You can delete
History,
some
I just bought it
segments.
once,
Look,
a
I can
one-time payment of
edit text here, guys.
$27. It was a
You
special
can
offer,
edit
okay?
segments. If you're someone who needs
Now,
accurate reliability,
this is how
you
you do
can
it, okay? You want
also
to click
use
on this
premium
URL.
subscriptions,
We'll
guys. We
leave the
can
link in the description,
improve
guys, for you.
transcription
So you're
quality
gonna go
in
to this
demanding
URL,
environments, but
and on this
the Otter's
URL,
free
once this
plan
loads
is
up, what you're
actually
supposed to do
pretty
is put
generous,
in your
but there are
purchase
premium
email,
options that,
okay?
of course, they will
The
open
email
up
will be in the top
like
right corner
access
of your
to a wealth
dashboard.
of
Let me
additional
just show
features. You
you
know, you have
my email. This
increased
is my email
transcription
right here.
limits, extra
So if you
storage,
come here,
bulk
click view
export
your profile, you're gonna see at
capabilities.
the top right corner
So
right here your
if you
email.
really like this app, you've
You
tried it
just want
out,
to
you
put
can
that in
try it out.
that
You can
website
go
that's
and
loading up.
upload
You just want to put that
a
here,
MP4
and it's
file
gonna
or a
send you
different
the
file
link
and see its
to
transcription, or
update your
maybe
info.
join a
So
meeting and see how it
you
works.
want to put in
For
that
me, it did
email,
pretty good,
okay?
guys.
Your
So you should
email right
try it
here.
out
Put
for
that
yourself
email,
as
and
well
then the
before
system
you
will
buy
send you
any
with your
pro
access link,
plans.
okay? When
Luckily,
they
they
send you
give
the
you
email
access to a free
on
plan.
your email,
So if this video helps,
just click
guys,
on the link
make
that's
sure you
provided.
like.